You have been duly selected to serve as the 10th president of this university. It is my great pleasure as the Archbishop of Miami and the sponsor of this university, which means I'm the owner of the place, I guess. If you don't pay the bills, the bank comes after me. It is my pleasure to install you in that office of president with all its requisite rights, privileges, and responsibilities. By accepting the President's Medallion, you accept the charge to serve with diligence, with dedication, with energy, vision, and integrity as you carry out the duties of President of St. Thomas University. All these people here and beyond are counting on you, but they're also pulling for you and for your success.
Today's gospel is very important. A quote from today's gospel: "Whoever wishes to be great among you shall be your servant. Know that every second that I am here, I will always be your servant." God bless all of you. Muchas gracias. I appreciate so much that you've done for me here. We end the speech like we always end the speech here at St. Thomas University. I'm going to give a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Go Bobcats! God bless you. Thank you.